Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to find x plus y divided by x minus y, given that x squared plus y squared is equal to 8xy, where x is greater than y and y is greater than 0. Now the difficult part with this question is that you're sort of given one equation and two unknowns. Essentially what you need to do is rewrite x squared plus y squared so that you can get x plus y and x minus y, and then substitute them into this expression here. Let's begin. Notice that you can rewrite x squared plus y squared is x plus y all squared minus 2xy. Because if we expand x plus y all squared, we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and we have a minus 2xy here, so we have minus 2xy. These two cancel, and we're just left with x squared plus y squared, right? So this means we have x plus y all squared minus 2xy is equal to 8xy. Now if we add 2xy to both sides, we get x plus y all squared is equal to 10xy. And if we take the square root of both sides, we get x plus y is equal to the square root of 10xy. So we have an expression for x plus y. Now we need to get an expression for x minus y. Well, notice that we can again rewrite x squared plus y squared is x minus y all squared plus 2xy. We can do this because if we expand what we have here, we get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared plus 2xy. These two cancel, and we're just left with x squared plus y squared. So we can rewrite x squared plus y squared is x minus y all squared plus 2xy, and this is equal to 8xy. Now if we subtract 2xy from both sides, we're left with x minus y all squared is equal to 6xy. And if we take the square root of both sides of this equation, we get x minus y is equal to the square root of 6xy. So we have the expressions for x plus y and x minus y. Let's plug them into what we have here and see what we end up with. So we have x plus y divided by x minus y. This is equal to the square root of 10xy divided by the square root of 6xy. We can rewrite this as the square root of 10 times the square root of xy divided by the square root of 6 times the square root of xy. These two cancel, and we're just left with the square root of 10 divided by the square root of 6. And this is equal to the square root of 15 divided by 3. And this is the final answer to our problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this content useful, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day.